This is a unique handmade lamp due to the natural variation in Himalayan crystal salt. Weight, size, color, and shape may vary. Once you lit the natural Himalayan salt lamp with its port, LED light will emit a calming color and will automatically slowly switch to pink, then yellow and green, and then slowly to blue and purple. It keeps switching the colors. So crystal, salt, stone, and base together make a wonderful combination of a natural piece of salt, which will definitely create a beauty in your place, and you will feel a coziness in any place of your home.